I know what you're thinking. No way this dog pays the bills. But yeah, he does. The mortgage, every month and then some. I post videos of my dog, and somehow that turned into a YouTube channel that pays better than half the jobs out there. No talking, no viral gimmicks, just consistent content and smart moves. And I'm about to show you exactly how it works. We were just filming for fun. Christmas morning, brand new puppy. I uploaded the video just to share with friends and family. Next thing I knew, 250,000 views. No strategy, no plan, no clue. It got views because it was cute, it was emotional, it was Christmas. People like dogs, people like cute stuff. Everyone loves a puppy surprise. But I didn't stop posting after that. I didn't think about monetization at that point. Not by any means. I posted because I loved it and people were interested. That's it. And then, over time, this accidental upload turned into an actual income stream. I had some go viral, and one went really viral, as in 100 million views viral. It was a video showing my dog trying to hump me. My husband filmed it, we laughed because the dog is so big, and then we posted it. It got a lot of negative comments, but I didn't care. Negative comments are just as good as positive for the algorithm, so I left it up. I got monetized extremely fast, just from that one video. At that point, I was sold and knew I was onto something. Look, you don't have to take my word for it. Search my channel on SocialBlade. Go ahead, I'll wait. They can't tell how much I make away from YouTube AdSense with other streams from the channel, but they guess well. Everyone tells you how much you could make, but nobody shows you their own proof. 98% of the videos on this channel are exactly what I'm suggesting you do, and that's post simple shorts of your dog without overthinking anything. The numbers are there. Over 770,000 subscribers, hundreds of millions of views, thousands of shorts, a few long videos, and a lot of income, without being an influencer in the traditional sense. Here's where it gets good. I earn money 3 main ways. First, YouTube AdSense, just from people watching, and this is simply like the shorts you're seeing right now. These are nothing more than what every dog owner has on their phone. People love certain breeds and really don't care if the dog is doing anything special in the video. Cute dogs sell views. It's simple. The next way is affiliate links, mostly pet gear or any product related to dogs. These few here that you see were simple. I got this stuff for free, and all they asked was for me to make a short video unboxing the item, then using it, or putting it together, or whatever they ask you to do. Here I'm showing an anti-barking device. Another video has a double food and water bowl set up for big dogs, and also a dog first aid kit. So not only do you receive free stuff that you can use, you also get an affiliate link in the video that you post. And when someone buys the item by using the link you put in the video, you get commission. The video stays forever and you get paid forever. It's incredibly easy and sits on autopilot, making money once on your channel. Imagine what 50 videos can produce if they are getting views forever. Print on demand is the third way. Merch like mugs, shirts, and ornaments. You can do this a few ways. You can design your own stuff if you have even just a little bit of creativity in you. You don't need very special skills. Minimal type stuff is all you need. The other way is to just purchase designs made by creative people. I go to Etsy and purchase designs ready to go on an item. Usually, I find 15 to 20 designs for maybe $3 or $4. It's so easy. Just download to your computer and then upload to an item on your print-on-demand site. Take 15 seconds to glance at the designs I'm referring to. Here they are.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show,
I use Teespring for my fulfillment site. They make the merch, they handle payment, they handle shipping and returns. They handle everything except the design. I do the design. This isn't about going viral, it's about building something real. People think content has to be flashy. It doesn't. In fact, the more familiar it feels, the more it connects. People aren't watching my dog because he's a superstar. They're watching because he reminds them of their dog. That's where the money is, in the moments people feel. If you've got a dog, start filming. If you don't, there are thousands of pet clips you can repurpose legally and ethically. This is actually easier. You don't even have to film anything. You do need to make sure you repurpose the video a little so you're not stealing something. It's not hard by any means, but I'm not going into detail about it on this channel. And to be honest, I'd rather see you get the perfect advice from someone on YouTube that specializes in this. I'll be honest, I got suspended for doing it because I was foolish and didn't think it through. But tons of people do it and they make bank in the process. This is one of the best YouTube niches nobody talks about. Faceless, familiar, forever scalable. And before you go searching for a $300 course from a guru who's never even posted a dog video, just know I put everything I learned into a $7 guide. It's not fluff, it's not upsells. It's the system I use on the same channel you're watching right now. You can call it luck, you can call it strategy, just don't call it fake. Because when your dog pays the mortgage, that's the kind of proof you don't argue with. The link to the guide is in the description. Or you can stalk my channel and copy everything I do. I really don't mind. You can learn everything here over time for free, or you can start catching up to me much quicker by reading everything I do in about 10 minutes. One of us is going to make money doing this. Might as well be both of us. So don't overthink this. I see so many people getting yanked in the wrong direction while trying to break into the YouTube business, and it get under my skin. The people giving the advice most of the time are either people that don't actually do anything themselves that they tell you to do, or it's something complicated. Not necessarily complicated for everyone, but complicated if you're a beginner. This is so different. A phone and a dog and a little guidance. My kids get involved. That's how easy it is. Do it.